Hello, everyone, and welcome to another edition of Kuhl Excel Academy. On today's episode, we're going to run through the first 6 function keys at the top of our keyboard and how they help you use Excel better. So the first thing to note is that you can use these keys as an action alone, which we'll be reviewing today, or with the Control button, the Alt button, or the Shift button. So something to note there. So when we do the first one, which is F1, it will open the Help Center for us. Next, we use F2 to edit the active cell. When you do this, it won't actually appear in the formula bar. It'll appear down here at the cell at the far right, and then we can start editing our cell. Next, we have the paste name formula. Shouldn't use this too much. You actually have to go in and create the name fields defined in the workbook, which could take a lot of effort and some time to learn. So not something we'll do here anytime soon. Next, we have the redo or edit cell button. So let's say you made this cell bold. I'm going to go down here and do the F4 again. So to do that, the other thing that it does is that if you create a formula, which we've gone over before, and I'm going to do some AA. Remember, this is how we jump into the cell and we can actually add the cell references. Next up, we have the Go To Dialog Box with F5. So F5, that'll give us our dialog box. And then you can see here all of the different tables that come with it. And I'm just going to say I want to go to A1 at the very top, and it will transfer for A1. And finally, we have the F6, which is one I'm going to try to start using more. This will actually rotate us through our different areas of the workbook. So the worksheets, the ribbons, the task panes on the zoom control. So if we see here, I'm going to go, you can see right down here, it's on this one, and then I could go through my different ones, worksheets. Next up, it goes through the macros and other things. Then it goes up to my workbook, which I can press the letter it's saying and jump to that section, and then back down again. So just some options there we have for 6. On our next episode, we'll go through F7 to F12 standalone keys. Everybody have a great day and follow.